will the Minister of Railways be pleased to state A. Whether it is a fact that one rail coach factory was announced to establish in the year 2022 at Kokrajhar under Bodoland territorial region. B. If so, the details of present status of this proposed factory at Kokrajhar. C. Whether it is a fact that this project is running behind its timeline. D. If so, the reasons therefore and the expected timeline for completion of the project. A. 2. D. Rail coach factories are set up keeping in view the railways' overall requirement of rolling stock. Presently, the existing production units and those already planned are sufficient to meet the railways' overall requirement of rolling stock in near future. However, Ministry of Railways has granted in principle approval for setting up a new wagon POH workshop in Bodoland area